Hi, I'm Franz, and this is After Effects. And let's do today the counter of numbers. So we have to create new composition. I will leave everything like this, 25 frame rate, and duration will be 5 seconds. I think it's okay. We have the composition. Now let's go to text and create our text. Let it be 0. Okay, now let me choose my 0 and find align, and here I'm aligning, finding nice place, central place for my numbers. Okay, now next thing I'll go to layer and create new null object. Okay, I clicked on it. Now I'll go and find amount, effect and presets, slider, control. Okay, I found it, and I will drag it to my null layer. Okay, we did it. This is our slider effect. We will need it. And let's go to our text layer and open it. Go to text, and here find source text, and let's select property. Let's click on our null layer to see where is the slider, and let's connect our property with slider. Okay, now slider will be changing and it will change our numbers on the screen. Okay, let's see how it works. I'm at the very beginning of the timeline clicking on the slider on this watch. So the very first keyframe is done. And I'm moving to the very end of the timeline and changing the number to 100, for example. Okay, let's move our slider to the very beginning and click OK. It's okay. Let's pause it. So we see everything is good, but we have in our source text the numbers from 0 to 100, but not only whole numbers. Okay, so we have to round all those numbers with digital parts. Okay, so I'm going to this expression, left click on it, and be careful just not to delete the text. We have to write before the text, math dot round, open the bracket and close the bracket right after the whole text. Okay, and let's see. I think it's good. Okay, that's it. Thank you.